Close. Put that in. Might as well start fresh. Turn the camera on. And format card. Yes. No! Ugh! Well, since I accidentally deleted the coverage of me spraying the pan and the barbecue grill grates with Easy Off, I'm sure if you can just close your eyes and think about me spraying Easy Off on this before I put it in the bag, that's what you missed. So you didn't miss a whole lot. I'm going to put my gloves on, throw these things over there by the garden hose, take them out, hose them off. If I need to use a scrubby on them, kind of move some stuff around, I will. I'm not going to get too aggressive with it. The idea here is what is the easiest way to get rid of all the stains on these pans and barbecue grills. I've already, you know, if you saw the other video, I've already soaked this one in pure ammonia and had pretty good results out of it. But there was some stuff left on there. I wanted to see if oven cleaner would take care of it. So let's take a look. Well, this is the end result. I would say that on the baking pan, I wouldn't take it any further than using ammonia. Here's why. Ammonia may stink, but it's not nearly as caustic as oven cleaner. You can tell that I've still got the corrosion, which I was pretty sure it was corrosion, but I wanted to make positive. So nothing really changed on top. Some stuff did change on bottom, but remember, I didn't try to clean the bottom. But here's what I believe I have done. I think this gray matter is actually a non-stick surface, and the oven cleaner just about annihilated it. We'll find out when this starts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure of that, because that has nothing. I've never cooked anything, you know, on the bottom, so this shouldn't have had anything gray on it. And I'm not even 100% positive if it didn't have it on the other side, but I've got some corrosion starting already. So here's what I'm going to tell you. Clean your pans if you want to with more than soap and water, but if you don't want to use anything more than soap and water on your pans, as long as they're clean, right? Who cares what they look like? If you need to put a barrier in between your pan and whatever you're cooking, use parchment paper, aluminum foil, or something like that. The food never touches the pan. It's no big deal. Alright, as far as the barbecue grates go, I think if I did this maybe twice, I could get better results. This isn't like new. I really didn't expect it to be like new. As far as I know, some of the porcelain, possibly, don't know for sure, some of the porcelain may have started corroding here. This thing's 2 years old. Of course, the stainless steel is now not stainless anymore. I've got a little corrosion, I think, showing up there. Yeah, you know, heat. It's just like exhaust pipes on a Harley. The heat is going to discolor everything. Your finish is going to start corroding a little bit. So that's what I believe I got. It's not a bad idea. Here's my opinion. It's not a bad idea to probably do this to your grates maybe once a year if they need it. But now what I need to do is put all this stuff back in the grill and heat it up as hot as I can get it for maybe a half hour. And that'll not only dry everything out, it'll also, you know, help clean the grates even more and prevent possible corrosion. My problem, of course, is I got a storm coming, and I just yesterday dried this thing off, cleaned it all up, and put the cover on it after the rain went away. So I'm really not in a big hurry to have to do all that over again. Fire up the grill in a rainstorm, bad idea. So that's the results. Take them for what they are. As far as this goes, like I said, I probably wouldn't go past ammonia. If you are in a big hurry, if leaving something in there for several days is not your idea of a good time, oven cleaner will work for you. If you don't care about time, you can just throw this in the bag and be done with it. Deal with it in a few days later. Pure ammonia. I believe it's even cheaper, safer, because Easy Off or any oven cleaner has lye in it. The stuff that was splashing back on me when I was doing the grates and such burns immediately. I mean, I got gloves on, but not gauntlet gloves. So, it's safer, cheaper, probably more environmentally friendly to use ammonia, and I'd say just as effective. And it may not tear off your non-stick coating. All right, my opinion only. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. Hey, hit that subscribe button, will you? And go to that video. I'd appreciate it.